So students, we'll start with the first chapter, nutrition in plants. All the living organisms, both plants and animals, require food. Now next question is, why do the organisms need to take food? Organisms जो होते हैं, they need to take food first to obtain energy. Second, to obtain materials for growth and development. Third, to obtain materials for the repair of the damaged parts of the body. These are the different functions of food, what we have studied in our lower classes. The process of taking food by the organism as well as its utilization by the body is called as nutrition. अब जो plants होते हैं, they can make their food, but animals, including human beings, cannot make their food themselves. They obtain their food from plants and other animals that eat plants. Therefore, human beings and animals depend upon plants for their food directly or indirectly. We'll now discuss what are the various modes of nutrition in organisms. The method of obtaining food, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Mode of nutrition. And on the basis of modes of nutrition, जितने भी organism है, they can be divided into two groups. First one is autotrophs or autotrophic mode of nutrition, and the second one is heterotrophs or heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now we'll describe both these modes of nutrition of organism in detail one by one. So let's take up the first one, autotrophs or autotrophic mode of nutrition. वो organisms which cannot make food, organisms which can make food themselves from simple substances जैसे कि carbon dioxide, water, by the process of photosynthesis are called as autotrophs and their mode of nutrition is called autotrophic. इसका मतलब जितने भी green plants हैं, they are autotrophs. क्यों? Because green plants can make their own food from simple substances like carbon dioxide and water जो कि present है surroundings में by the process of photosynthesis. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि green plants have autotrophic mode of nutrition. इसका मतलब let's take an example. Wheat plants जो हैं they are autotrophs. इसका मतलब उनके पास autotrophic mode of nutrition है. Autotrophs जो होते हैं they contain a green pigment जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Chlorophyll, which helps them to make food by absorbing energy from sunlight. ज़्यादातर plant, most of the plants are green, and hence they can synthesize or make their own food. This means कि most of the plants have autotrophic mode of nutrition. अब जो green plants होते हैं, they produce food not only for themselves, but also they make food for non-green plants as well as for animals, including human beings. अब next question arises कि our body and that of other animals' body cannot make food from carbon dioxide and water. ये भी हमारी surroundings में भी carbon dioxide और water है. But can we do the process of photosynthesis and make food for ourselves? No. क्यों? Because our body does not have this green pigment which is called chlorophyll, which the plants have. And that is why we cannot make food for ourselves. And if we cannot make food for ourselves, we are in the second category, which is heterotrophs, and our mode of nutrition is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So इसका मतलब we can define those organisms which cannot make food themselves by the process of photosynthesis and they take food from green plants or animals are called heterotrophs. और उनकी mode of nutrition को क्या कहते हैं हम? Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. जितने भी non-green plants हैं, they do not have chlorophyll for carrying out the process of photosynthesis. ठीक है? So they depend upon other organisms, भले ही plants हो, animals हो, for obtaining their food. तो non-green plants जैसे कि fungi हो गया, mushrooms हो गए, they have heterotrophic mode of nutrition. कुछ bacteria जो होते हैं वो भी heterotrophs हैं. All the animals, including human beings, are categorized as हेट्रोट्रोफ्स, उनको हम हेट्रोट्रोफ्स कहते हैं. क्यों कहते हैं? बिकॉज दे कैन नॉट मेक देयर ओन फूड, दे डिपेंड अपॉन प्लांट्स और अदर एनिमल्स विच ईट प्लांट्स फॉर ऑब्टेनिंग देयर फूड. इसका मतलब ये हुआ ऑल एनिमल्स जैसे कि कैट, डॉग, गोट, काउ, buffalo, deer, and human beings are heterotrophs having heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Right? Now we'll be studying photosynthesis and how do the plants make their food with the help of the process of photosynthesis in the next class.